Welcome to Complexity Made Simple. My name is Paul Allen, and today we're going to do a software tutorial. We're going to take a look at the software of choice that I use in Six Sigma. We're going to look at SPC XL. Hope you enjoy it.
Okay, in this tutorial we're going to take a look at the Pareto diagram using Sigma Zone software, SPC XL software. So I've got some data here and it's set up, I guess, in the perfect way that data should be set up, just in a straight table. So we've got categories across the top. I've got things like the date, the part number, the area that got affected. This data, by the way, is for material interruptions in a manufacturing system. So production has stopped because we had a part shortage. And what we've done is we've organized the data just in a table. It doesn't change when we get to a different month. So you'll notice, look, here's some May dates. If I go down, there's June. We're not putting them on a different table. We're just putting everything in one table of data, and that's the perfect way to do it, because now it makes analyzing this data so easy to do. So let's show you how to do a Pareto. So the Pareto I'm going to do is the area that's being stopped the most. Very straightforward. I'm going to highlight all the data that I'd like to do a Pareto. I'm going to go to Analysis Diagrams, Pareto Chart. The usual thing, the wizard comes up and it's just asking you to check, is that the data set that you'd like to analyze? Yes, it is. Next. Now a little wizard comes up now. I get the chance to change the way this looks, ascending or descending. No idea why I'd want to do that. With or without the cumulative bar at the top, the cumulative line. All that's trying to tell you, of course, is that you're looking at the 80-20 rule. So maybe you just have to deal with problems this end, because if you fix problems associated with these two areas, if we look across here, almost 70% of all the faults are in those two departments right there. I don't wish to change the way this looks at all. I'll click Next. Then you get a chance to put a good specific title. So I'm going to go Line Stoppages. May to June. This data was from back in 1999, so I'll put the date on there as well. Click Go. And there you go. There's the Pareto done. So of course, if this was our project and we were going to work on a couple of important things, we'd be looking over here. That's the Pareto diagram using SPC XL. Very straightforward and easy to use.
Well, I hope you found that useful. If you've got any questions about that topic, or indeed anything to do with Six Sigma or Lean for that matter, give me a call and I hope to hear from you soon.